How's it going, guys? Today I'm working on this broken Denso alternator in my car, and the reasons I know that my alternator is bad are: number one, I've got the service battery charging system light on the dashboard. Number two, my battery gauge shows really low voltage. Fully charged battery should be at 12 volts, and when you start the car and alternator starts charging, it should go up to almost 14 volts. In my case, I've got barely over 9 volts, and if I start my car and start driving, it's gonna go even lower until the battery completely dies, and at that point the car is gonna stall. And number three, if you don't have a battery gauge, you can use a multimeter or circuit probe tester, start the car, and measure voltage on your battery terminals. It should be around 14 volts, and if it's at 12 or below and the voltage gradually dropping down as your car is running, that means your alternator either bad or it's not producing enough voltage. If you found yourself in a similar situation, do not rush to spend a couple $100s to replace the alternator. There could be a very simple and easy fix for it. What you want to do is take out the alternator and then remove this back plate. Next, take out 3 screws and then take out this brown part, which is an electrical brushes assembly. Look inside and inspect the condition of the electrical brushes. They're spring-loaded and they push against the shaft in the middle of the alternator. And over time, especially if your mileage is really high, they wear out and they stop making good contact or any contact with the shaft. Here you can see those 2 copper sections is the contact point between the brushes and the shaft on the alternator. And here, for comparison, is my old versus brand new brush assembly. The replacement part was only $10, which is a huge saving when compared to a brand new alternator. And if you're interested, I'm going to drop a link down in the comments section below to where you can buy it from. I put everything back together and reinstalled the alternator, and I've never had any issues with the battery charging system ever since. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like and subscribe for more DIY car repair videos like this. Also, drop a comment below. I love to hear your success stories. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.